Hello everybody. So what we will do next, we've created a tree using my content browser and using the paint tool. We created by ourselves from basic shapes the tree, and right now it will try to create a tree with SpeedTree software. Something simple. So this is a SpeedTree software interface. You can select the blank, or you can select already presets. In my case, I believe I was using that one tree or something like that in that scene. However, right now I will just show how to create a basic tree. So I will pick the blank. If your interface looking a little bit different, so just go and reset layout. Okay, so what we need to do in order to create a simple tree, so just select node, right click, add geo, go trunk, boom, we have a trunk. Yep, great. So if we will select a trunk or something, okay, the trunk, you can see below all options where you can do something, let's say. Okay, so what we'll do next, we will try to connect to the trunk branches, big branches or something like that. Okay, I will pick the big branches. Okay, dokie. So definitely you can go and play with all the settings, but I'm showing only the basic settings. Yeah, so you can play with frequency, speed, etc, etc, etc. Spiral, can rotate it, doesn't matter. You can check all the options. Yeah, okay, so again select the branch, select add geo, and let's add little branches. Looking awesome, great. So select again, add twigs, very cool. Definitely you can play with a count of it, but for us it will be okay. Okay dokie. Okay, so we have a twig, we will add leaves. Super awesome. As you can see, okay, in here we'll probably will increase a little bit the number, okay, and probably we will change the shape. Just select, okay, and try to play a bit with a shape, some gravity. Cannot, oh, okay, I'll try to play a bit. We're not overlapping, at least I think so. Okay, so without further ado, okay, let's go now. Okay, so without any breaks, let's move further. So in order to apply the texture, just click this plus minus sign, add new, rename it to bark, probably in English, I don't know, but we will add the material and add new one for leaf. Great, so let's press OK. I will select the trunk, okay, not bark, trunk, select the color. You can go to the installation of your SpeedTree cinema, let's say path, samples, etc, etc. So basically to this location, and under the samples we can find Okay, so let's select the bark. Okay, so we have a bark texture. Can assign it. Yes. Okay. Let's do one by one. We will go to the materials, branch, bark. When I selected the bark, you can see we applied the texture. Awesome. Okay, so we need to do the same process for a leaf. Okay, so let's pick a leaf, click the color. Damn it. Leaves, front, leaves. Okay, you can that one or that one, up to your taste, or you can create in the same process as I showed in the previous tutorial how to make bushes, foliage bushes. So it's the same process. You can create your own leaves and just open. Okay, yes, assign it. And for a leaves textures, we need to find the textures. Oops, leaves should be under the leaves here. No, material, leaf. Very nice. Wait. And one more thing. As you know, all the software I don't know why by default they're not using double-sided. Okay, so let's just check this two-sided material. As you can see, it's looking better now. Yeah, definitely you can increase the count of the leaves, you know. As well, we can add even more twigs, branches, etc., on that let's say super awesome tree. However, if you want to add the wind, you can do so. Okay, I know that my tree looks pathetic, so maybe I will add something. Okay, let's increase some branches. Where's the twigs? Let's add some twigs. And easy like that, you know, you can play with the SpeedTree, and it's a super awesome software. However, as I mentioned, it's very expensive. So what's next? So we can create you know, the wind. Let's do so. Wind wizard can pick if it's a grass or a palm tree or something like that. I will try to do a standard tree. I know that it's right now looking creepy. However, we have a tree with a wind. If you will click that fan or a cooler, I don't know how to say it. What is it? You can play with a frequency. You can play with a let's say with the strength of the wind, etc., and how it will impact. You can play with curved lines, you know. Okay, so basically it's a simple thing, simple like that. I can play with leaves much more, to be honest. Numbers, you can roll it out a bit. So in general, it's simple tree. You can create a tree in a minute, and you can play with everything with textures. You can play with UVs, etc, etc, and just export it, and that's it. Boop, and export. Okay, let's do a export free. If you will use Maya, this is my standard settings. It's a geometry. You can add bones. Okay, I will export with a wind, and this is it. Just press export, and that's it. And now we will wait. Okay, so mesh exported. Let's try to import it in the Maya trio. As you can see, mesh sample 3 imported. Let's check this out. Okay, so basically Maya crashed and I couldn't import the file as there was some kind of issues, I don't know, so I've created another tree and I will try to export it again. So let's do version 2 again. I'm trying to replace it. Here when software is crashing, it sometimes happens, so you can do. Okay, so as you can see, tree imported. Press 6 in order to see initiated mode, and as I can see, we have problems with bark, so we need to go to HOTLINKS and remove transparency, and this is it. You can see we have a tree. Great. So this is how you can use a SpeedTree for a tree creation. Have a nice one. Good luck.